In an era obsessed with disposable tech, designed to fail just outside the warranty, finding truly professional-grade equipment feels like an act of rebellion. It is 2026, and most devices are built for the upgrade cycle, not for delivering long-term value. This product review focuses on something different: the roborock Qrevo Curv S5X. For many, this is not just another gadget. It is the definitive professional standard. Let us cut past the marketing fluff. What causes more professional friction on a Monday morning than untangling a robot brush, caked with pet hair and dust, when you just need the floors clean? The roborock addresses this, not with a simple feature, but with a quiet standard. Its revolutionary dual zero tangling system. Main brush, side brush, both engineered to minimize hair wrap. That is, 5 minutes you get back, guaranteed. 5 minutes you are not spending with cutters and tweezers. 5 minutes you are not late for that early call. It is time given back. Pick it up, or rather observe its purposeful heft. This is not hollow plastic, a common 2026 update we see everywhere. The dock itself is substantial, built with dense quality polymers that resist flex, designed for stability. The robot too feels solid, its components tightly integrated, a machine designed to endure. This is the joy of ownership. Tactile and reassuring. It speaks to a tool that prevents future errors, built to avoid the endless replacement cycle. This is an investment in your peace of mind, delivering long-term value. Now, no professional-grade product is without its minor compromises. In a world moving to 5 GHz Wi-Fi, the Qrevo Curv S5X app still prefers 2.4 GHz. A small point, perhaps. A legacy choice. Yet, in real-world workflow, once set up, it becomes entirely irrelevant. It connects, it cleans, it performs flawlessly. This minor detail, for the target audience, simply disappears into the background as the core mission is executed. If you are seeking to eliminate decision fatigue, to reclaim those small fragments of time, and truly invest in a tool that stands apart in the 2026 landscape, this roborock warrants serious consideration. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.